dollar Capone. Hush.
Trying to get that bed off. Yeah, because everything like spins though.
Yeah.
So it doesn't seem like it's been too long, bro. Like this car doesn't seem bad at all.
That's probably what, like a 14 or some shit. Oh, 13, 12.
Yeah, my tussling. You see that right there? There goes that jackrabbit. There goes that jackrabbit right there.
These aren't the same ones, right?
I don't think so.
They shouldn't be.
I don't think so.
No.
Oh, we might get AC, guys. Who knows? Yeah, I don't know. Me don't know. Me don't know. I ain't start this one in a minute, too. So I wonder what I would be able to do, like, to help that idle, too. Like,
Yeah.
that'd be hiccuping and shit. Like, it's not bad, but... You know. I might be trailering a car with this motherfucker. Because that's all I want to be able to do. Trailer a car for 16 hours. Or at least 8 hours at a time. I think I could do it. I think I can do it. Won't be too bad. Scary.
No way they don't give you enough room.
To do it.
No
To get to the tensioner?
Yeah.
Do you think you could do it from the bottom? Or no? Yeah, taking off that. Struggling a little bit to get the tensioner to go down. You can see that bolt right there. We struggling by.
Like that.
Right here, took that off. Just a little bit overcomplication. Damn, is this broken?
Oh, that's definitely why it was leaking. Yep.
So I should change that, huh?
Yeah. That's definitely why it was leaking. Because you said it was leaking, right?
Yeah, no, like just a little bit. You can see the condensation on this side too, though. You see that?
Yeah.
It's just like all this dirt, you know. I worry about little shit like that, but you know, it's not. It really doesn't matter, but.
Yeah.
But I might as well fix it now than later. Cause no, you can see all over all this shit. Yeah, like it just would drip some of the time, bro. Maybe I'll just tighten it a little bit more and add an extra zip tie. See what happens. You know what I'm saying? Ghetto fix that bitch. Gonna get a ghetto fix on this hole, bro. Cause man, there's no way. Make sure the shit's all the way down. Fuck. Yeah, cause you can see all this shit's caked, bro. It's all caked with shit, bro. Because what other oil? This is not oil. Because look at the engine.
Yeah.
Engine's clean.
Show me the light right here. I'm not in there, right?
No.
That's a 14 then.
The engine's clean as fuck. No oil on the engine. And then all this oil. So what oil is that? That's power steering, bro. So this pipe has to probably get changed. It's this. Yeah, the end of this probably has to get fixed or something. End of that reservoir. It's probably clogged. I'm gonna change these lights too. I don't know how they're connected. It's like connected to the fuse box and everything. Like, bro, no. Yep. Space to get that thing in now.
Oh, we got space from up top.
That's tough. All right, bro.
Oh.
Cause you didn't. Goofy.
That's crazy.
He put it back down. Okay.
No,
So
it
now it's
goes down
dropping.
based on this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's so
So if you took that all the way out, it'll probably go all the way down. Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Okay, so now.
So now, okay, bad. Yeah, we good. We Gucci, y'all. So we got that down. I just went to get a different thing and everything. So now we fucking with it. So it's not even that bad, bro. We about to stop. We about to stop, bro. So you don't have to get it over there. You want me to take this off? Because it's not going to come. Yeah, I have to take it off. But it's not going to come off because this is so close now. Goofy. That's what I was telling you. If you switch it.
Oh, you can't slide this over? Because I kind of want to leave it in there, but.
Let me see.
Right here, you know what?
Let me see.
You can't slide it on the side?
I know, I'm going to try.
Are you going? I think it's there. Yeah. So now.
You need more attention or?
Yeah, go to the left on the top thing. Don't move the little bolt. Move the actual, threads.
Wait. So go to your left? Try to put it on?
No, your left. Like you're loosening it. Like you're
Okay.
taking it out. But just the threads. Don't move the actual nut.
No. It's so tight. Wait, pull it back a little bit. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
There you go.
You going?
What do you mean?
Are you doing it?
What do you want me to do?
Go left on the threads.
Okay. All right. So I gotta just make sure it's all on
flush.
everything.
I
Yeah,
think the AC
I think it's good. The AC is good. Down here is good. And then, as long as the tensioner is good, it should be good. And then we get the tensioner out. AC belt is in.
See,
I think that should be good, bro.
I think that's an 8. Hopefully it's an 8.
Because then we have to switch it. You want me to switch the side then? Tightening that bitch up.
Low key. Fuck, man. I think we might tighten this thing first.
Oh, so yeah.
Yeah.
I know she about tired of me. Nah, that's why I might register this bitch so I could just put it on the street. So she can park in here. First time all the belts are on, start. It's spinning. She got that little rough idle though, bro. They spinning though. Let her warm up a little bit. So that was the AC. So now we I'm just running that AC, seeing if that should have just
Smoke a little bit.
smoking.
Yeah. Turn it off.
Oh shit. Oh, it might be because the oil. No,
The oil. Yeah.
that's the header.
Yeah. That could be why. And then you said it was sitting here, right?
Yeah, it's been sitting. It's the header.
All right.
You can see the oil on there. It's about to turn on again. All right, guys. I've never done this before, but I definitely just got a can of Freon from Walmart with those nozzles or whatever, and I'm gonna try to add. Well, I got an 18-ounce can. I guess they were all like 18 ounces. I'm gonna try to add as much as I can. It said not to add more than 24 or whatever, because we just added back the new belt. If you guys could see, I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. So we just added that new belt on the AC. So I gotta take off this maybe, right? And then add more Freon to that. So we're gonna do this. How do y'all do this, y'all? You think that's good? Does it twist on or anything? Or I don't know. I don't know. How did... You think... So you just push it? Oh, bro. Here, let me try to get 2 hands on this job. So that I'm not wasting that. There we go. Clipped on. Oh yeah, y'all hear that? Look, the gauge is on. Whoa. Does that mean that's like how much is in the system? Cause ain't it supposed to be at like 20? They said 20. So what that mean? I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I ain't trying to fuck it up. Hey, low key, I'm gonna leave it running, bro, but my shit's running colder, bro. It's running way colder right now, bro. I'm gonna just leave my shit running now. And then I don't know why my check engine light went away. It was definitely on, bro. But this bitch running way colder now, bro. Yeah, I don't know if I did it right or wrong, but I did something. Shit. Y'all let me know if I did something wrong, bro. But this shit running cold, bro. What the fuck? We lit. I'm finna just leave this shit running to see how cold it get over time, and then I'm gonna drive it around. That's it, bro. I'm gonna see. Hopefully this shit decent.